Hello guys, and welcome to this quick tutorial where I will show you how to quickly and easily withdraw money with your credit card, so Visa or MasterCard, on Binance. If you don't already have an account or you want to open one, you can easily use the link from the video description. Then you will get another 20% discount on all trading fees. You can do that, and the best thing is it's forever. Alright, let's dive right into it. To withdraw any money from our Binance account, we just have to log into it and then go up here to Wallet and then click on Fiat and Spot. Then we will get to this page where we just can see an overview of all of our assets that we have on our Binance account. We can see here our fiat balances and down here our crypto balances. So in this case, we want to go to our fiat balances and withdraw a currency. So you can choose from any of these currencies that you have on your Binance account. Of course, you can trade them and then go to whichever currency you want to withdraw by using your credit card. All right, in this case, I'm gonna go for Euro. So I'm gonna go up here to the right side and click on withdraw right here. And then I'll get to this page. I can choose the currency again right here. I've already selected Euro. And then I can choose a payment method. So in this case, I want to withdraw method. Unfortunately, we can't use a bank transfer right now for Euro, but the good thing is we can easily use a bank transfer, which is completely for free. So we don't have any fees. Right here on the right side, we can enter the amount we want to withdraw. So in this case, I'm just going to go for 10 euro, for example. As you can see, I will get 10 euro and I will have a 0 transaction fee. Down here, I can choose a Visa card that I want to withdraw the money to. So in this case, I've already used one, so it's already selected right here. But you can, of course, also just click on Add New Card and then just enter your card details right here. Then all you have to do is just click on continue, and then the money will arrive within the next 24 hours. I've already tested it. As you can see down here, I've made some withdrawals with a bank transfer, which were successful. And of course, I've also done one with a credit card with also a little bit of a higher balance, and it was all successful without any problems. Alright, that's already it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you don't already have an account or you want to open one, feel free to use the sign up link from the description to get the 20% forever. And I hope you have a nice day and see you in the next one. Bye.